Hello, sixth graders. Welcome to Friday, December 18th. Today, we're going to be doing something we haven't done before. It's called an Edpuzzle video. So in an Edpuzzle video, what happens is there's going to be a video that plays for you, and it's going to stop every once in a while and ask you a question. I would like you to do two of these today, but they're both quite short. The first one is about the water cycle, and that one I believe is 4 or 5 minutes long. And then the second one is about types of precipitation, and this one is less than 2 minutes. So as you watch the video, it should stop every once in a while and have a question pop up on the right hand side. If it takes a while to load, be patient. Sometimes this website does get a little bit slow, but if it doesn't load, I'm going to show you another way you can try and get to it, and hopefully that'll work. So today, two quick videos, and then if you have any extra time, please work on any missing assignments you maybe need to get caught up on, like the gizmos from the last week or so. So to get to these videos, you're going to need to go into Schoology. Okay, we are in week 5, as you can see by my gray dot there. And on the list here, we've got the two videos, Edpuzzle, Water Cycle, Brain Pop. Maybe you've seen a Brain Pop video before. And then the second one, Types of Precipitation, is actually just a recording of a meteorologist just giving you a quick less than 2 minute information about different types of precipitation, so rain, sleet, snow, etc. So you're going to click on the assignment, and it should open up and let you watch this video. You can see that there's a play button up here. It'll probably be a little bit bigger than yours because mine looks a little differently, because as you start this, I'll get a list of students. So it should just open up for you right here. If it does not, there is something you can try that usually makes it work. So what you'll need to do is leave the Schoology app. I think this is an issue with the Schoology app on your iPads. So we're going to close out of that, and I need you to go into Safari or Chrome. Either of them will work. And you're going to need to go to the Faribault Public Schools website. Okay, if you type it in, it's faribault.k12.mn.us. Otherwise, if you just do a Google search for Faribault Schools, this will be the first thing that pops up. And up in the top right corner, you're going to see those 3 lines. And when you tap on those, it's going to give you this drop-down menu, and there is a section for students. So when you select that by tapping on the plus button, Schoology is going to be one of your options. If you tap on the word students, it opens up a students page. Same stuff. But you need to go to Schoology. And what we're going to be doing is we're just going to log into Schoology through the internet, through the web page, instead of using the app. And so your login will just be your student number. You'll type that in here, and your school password. You don't have to do your full email address, just your student number for the username. I've got mine saved here, so I'm just going to click on that, get myself logged in. Now this is going to look a little bit different than what you're used to in the app if you haven't looked at this before. You're going to have all your updates on the first page. Your upcoming assignments are going to be on the right hand side. If you have any reminders, maybe you'll get that. I have some work to do today. I got some grading to do. But the courses are found at the top here. And you're going to go to Earth Science 6. And then you're going to have the same stuff here pretty much as you would in your Schoology app. After I show you this, please stay on. I'm going to show you another trick you can see if you've got all your work turned in Schoology, even if I've not graded it yet. So this is week 5. So we're going to go in there, and you're going to see the Edpuzzle videos down here. And when you select them here, usually when kids have been having trouble with this, they work better in this website. So please take a look at that if you can't get the videos to load. All right. Also, make sure you let the videos play all the way to the end so that it gives you credit. It's going to record your scores automatically and send them to Schoology for me. You don't even have to do any submissions or anything. Now, I said I was going to show you another trick for knowing if your assignments are turned in. On your left-hand side, I believe you have a button called Grades. Mine's a little bit different because I've got the teacher page. But if you tap on Grades, it's going to open you up to a page that looks something like, I've got a screenshot of one here, like this. And you'll have to make sure you select quarter 2 or Q2 here. And then you'll have a formative assessments kind of tab or folder, and then you'll have another one that says summative assessments. That's for the tests and quizzes. Now you're going to have a list of assignments that shows up here. Then on the right hand side you're going to have all your scores. But one thing you can see on this that you can't see in the app is if you've actually turned something in. And so do you see these little blue boxes right above my gray dot? So those mean that a submission has been made. So if we're looking at this student's page, they have made submissions for these assignments, which is good. These other ones that don't have that gray box, those are going to be Savas assignments that I had to enter manually from the Savas website. But if you look down at here, this one looks a little bit different. There's no blue box here because they have not finished the Gizmos water cycle activity. So if you see an assignment that is blank, like this one right here, there's no blue kind of square. That means you have not made a submission for that assignment. Now, some of them you won't need to make a submission because they're through the Savas website, but if it's something that a submission needs to be made, be looking for that blue box to see that you have a submission made. All right, I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions today, please be sure to come to one of my open help sessions, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And then I do have 2nd and 4th hour classes, so I'm not open then, but you do too. Then 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 12:30 to 1, and then from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock I also have open meeting time. To enter those meetings, those Google Meets, you just need to open the Google Meet app and type in this code, Sexton Open, all lowercase, and that will bring you into the meeting. I hope you have a good day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. See you Monday.